Hello everyone! I have started a new segment called 1 Minute Learning. Very soon, I'm going to upload one video every day in which I will explain one definition along with some real-life examples within 1 to 3 minutes. Definitions can be from economics, marketing, business management, education, or anything you suggest. Question: why did I start this segment? Usually, it is difficult for students to find authentic and easy definitions of the topic which clarifies the core concept or deep understanding of any subject-related topic. So I decided to help my students by making one video every day on the definitions with authentic wordings and easy explanation so that they can have strong grip on business and economics concepts. You can also email me your request and my email address is mentioned in the description of every single video I upload. Am I going to stop uploading complete lectures? Not at all. Complete and detailed lectures will be uploaded as normal, but 1 minute definition plus explanation session is new to facilitate students' learning. So don't hesitate to send me your request by leaving the comments in the description below or sending me an email. No matter whether you are a school student studying business or economics or even studying in a university as a master's student. Feel free to send the request. Sir Shayan knows everything. Stay blessed and see you soon.